Austin, how about a Security and Exchange Commission? I always think of this organization relatively small in the grand scheme of things, but very mighty. Tell us about what's happening over there.
Yeah, thanks, Luke, and thanks for having me. So maybe a couple of things. First, the data environment, I mean, as you mentioned, the SEC is one of the smaller, medium-sized regulators in the federal
Hmm.
government, but we have a very complex and interesting data environment. We have over 250 data sets that are in total over an exabyte in size. So a lot of organizations say they have big data, but in reality, their data is not that big. At the SEC, we do have big data, and it's upwards and it's over an exabyte in size. We also have over 400 forms that come into the SEC, over 4,500 filings per day that come into the SEC. So we also need to deal with unstructured data. And historically, that was always reviewed and always kind of processed by humans, but more and more we can do natural language processing, and now we can put large language models and AI on top of that as well. We developed a data strategy in 2022, and our data strategy is nearing completion. It was a 2022 to 2026 data strategy that we posted on the website, and I'm happy to report we've accomplished nearly everything in that data strategy over the last 4 years, and will be developing something new going forward. We've consolidated our data into one data platform. We are very actively working right now to make that data AI ready, so that all of the different AI kind of applications and solutions and so on can interact with all of that data at scale. We've done quite a few prototypes over the last several years, especially in the data AI space. We did a kind of a RAG prototype 2 years ago.
Hmm.
Last year we did agentic prototypes, as well as we prototyped a semantic layer that allows you to speak a question in natural language, and it gets transferred into SQL queries, which then will analyze our structured data and come back with responses. So we've been very active in prototyping AI and kind of the latest capabilities in AI, so that we are preparing to deploy solutions at scale.